Hello guys, my name is Manpreet and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your custom CSS file in Shopify theme. So first you have to do is open the backend and then go to your theme, click on edit code, and once it's loaded, go to assets, here click on add new, create blank file, name it whatever you want, and done. So if I add a code right now, for example, if I want to move this title to center, let me check the class of this. It's main page title. I'm looking on my other screen, which you cannot see. So the class of that title is the main page title, and I want to move it to center. So do you think it will work? Because I created a CSS file. Let's try. No, it doesn't work. Why is that? Because we need to import that CSS file. And for that, you need to go to theme.liquid file that's in the layout folder. And here, search for the existing CSS file. Let's just do that. Okay, so here is the existing CSS file. Just copy this code and paste it below it. And just change the name to your CSS file. Save. Now let's go back and refresh. Done. So CSS file has been added. And it's always recommended to add it after instead of before because of the priority thing. Like if I put it my code before the existing file, and if they both have the same code or same class defined, it will give the priority to a code which comes after. But we want to add more design, so we want to tweak the existing design, not so for the reason it's always better to like have it after so that we can change the default design, add our own CSS. So hope you like this video. Thank you.